Okay, to learn some of the questions of the previous papers, as far as possible, we will try to complete the maximum number of questions. In the middle, if you have any doubt, I don't know whether you will be able to ask or not. If you can ask, you can ask. If you're able to ask, you can clear your doubts immediately.
You can ask, madam.
Okay, you can clear your doubts immediately. So we will start with the first question. In the first question, it is given that if y is equal to 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n, then you are asked to find x square into d square y over dx square. For this, options are given. If options are necessary, I will write the options. Otherwise, we can start doing the problems and we can try to get one of the options. I'll tell you whether we got the options or not. So when we have to find the derivative, remember we have to find the second derivative. So first we will modify the question. Directly finding the derivative will be difficult. Write 2 into x power n plus 1, 3 into this x power n, you bring it up so that it will become x power minus n. Now you can use directly the formula to find dy by dx. 2 is a constant. Derivative of x power n plus 1 is n plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus 1. That is n. Only n is left in the power. And then the second one, 3 into derivative of x power minus n is minus n into x power minus n minus 1. This is the first derivative. But we have to find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. So for that, 2 is a constant, n plus 1 is a constant. We have to find derivative of x power n, which will be n into x power n minus 1. Then minus 3n is a constant. Derivative of x power minus n minus 1 will be minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 1 minus 1. So minus n minus 2. This is what we have. But according to the question, the second derivative has to be multiplied with x square. So when you multiply the second derivative with x square, that means this side also you have to multiply both the terms, 2n into n plus 1, x power n minus 1. And then from here you can take minus common. So plus 3n into n plus 1, x power minus n minus 2. This is what we have. So both the sides I have multiplied x square. Now I will have first term 2n into n plus 1 x power. The powers will be added when you distribute, so that you will have x power n minus 1 plus 2. That is n plus 1. And then next term 3n into n plus 1 x power. Here also when you distribute, the powers will be added. The power minus n minus 2 and then plus 2. So total you have minus n. Now, in order to get the options, I have to take n into n plus 1 common. Left is 2x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n. I am taking this x power minus n down to the denominator. Why did I do this? Because I will be having the final answer as n into n plus 1. And this is nothing but the question itself. It is y. So I can write y. So this is my answer, final answer, and that is present in the options. So we can stop doing here. I think you can access this recording later on. So you can write the questions and answers also later on, I believe. Am I right, Prasanna?
Yes, madam.
So I need not give them time to write. We need
Yes,
not
madam.
waste time in writing. You can access this again.
Yes, madam. They have access to view the recorded classes, madam.
Okay. So students, listen carefully and completely concentrate in understanding. Writing part, you can do it later. The second question is, if the curves are 2x equal to y square and 2xy equal to k. These two curves are intersecting perpendicularly. They are perpendicular to each other at the point of intersection. Then the value of k square is. So your work is to find the value of k square. Again, I'm not writing the options. Let us see how to do this. You are given two curves. 2x equal to y square is the first equation. 2xy equal to k is the second equation. Now, they are intersecting perpendicularly. So suppose they intersect, these two curves intersect at px comma y. Roughly, I will give you the diagram. This is the first curve. This is the second curve. They are intersecting here. You can take in other way also. This is just a rough diagram. I can draw the curves like this also. This is the first curve. This is the second curve. So they are intersecting here and here, 2 points, whatever it is. They are intersecting perpendicularly. That means if you draw a tangent here and if you draw a tangent here, the slopes M1 and M2, when you multiply, you will get -1. Because if the curves are perpendicular, the tangents are also perpendicular. The tangents are perpendicular, so M1, M2 will be equal to -1. This is the main point you have to keep. So first of all, we must find what is this point of intersection. Where they are intersecting, this point we have to find. Coordinates. For that, intersection means we will combine both the equations. We will solve both the equations by combining, like simultaneous equations. So how to solve it? You can take x value, x equal to y square by 2. This I am taking from the first equation and put it in second equation. So 2 into x is y square by 2, y equal to k. So 2 and 2 cancels, y cube equal to k, y is k power 1 by 3. This is how we got the y coordinate, k power 1 by 3. Now I have to get the x coordinate. So if you put the y here, x equal to y square. That means k power 1 by 3 whole square by 2. So x will be 1 by 2 k power 2 by 3. So I am writing x coordinate as 1 by 2 k power 2 by 3. Now after getting x and y, I know the point. Now I must know the slope. How will I know the slope of the tangents? I have to take the curves. So first I will take 2x equal to y square. I will find the slope. Slope means I have to find derivative. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of y square is 2y. But I have to write dy over dx. Implicit differentiation. So cancelling 2, I am getting dy by dx as 1 by y. This can be the slope of the first tangent if I put the value of y. Because I know the point of intersection. What is the point of intersection? 1 by 2, k power 2 by 3 and k power 1 by 3. So the y value is k power 1 by 3. I have put that. Now I will take the second curve, that is 2xy equal to k, and find the derivative. So when I find the derivative, I will take product rule, 2x and y. Derivative of 2x is 2y plus 2x. Derivative of y is dy by dx and derivative of k is 0. Because k is a number which we are going to find. Then I can write 2x dy by dx equal to minus 2y. I can cancel 2. Dy by dx will be minus y by x. But I will get the slope of the second tangent if I put what is y. Minus k power 1 by 3 x 1 by 2 k power 2 by 3. So this 1 by 2, it will become minus 2 k power 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is the slope of the second tangent. Because the tangents are perpendicular, m1 and m2 must be equal to minus 1. So I will take m1. What did I get for m1? 1 by k power 1 by 3. So 1 by k power 1 by 3 into m2. What did I get for m2? Minus 2 into k power minus 1 by 3, or I can write this also minus 2 by k power 1 by 3. I can take this one down. So I will write minus 2 by k power 1 by 3. m1, m2 is minus 1. Minus and minus will cancel. So I will have 2 equal to k power 2 by 3. Then both the sides I have to take 3 by 2. I will take the power 3 by 2 so that I will get k. I'll get the value of k. K is 2 power 3 by 2. That is 2 cube whole power 1 by 2. That is 8 square root. We got k is square root of 8. But they are asking us to find k square, which will be 8. And this is there in the option. So we can go to this option. This is the final answer for the question. You may be thinking that I'm taking long time to answer this. I'm taking long time because I'm explaining slowly one by one step. But if I will do it, I will not do in so many steps. I will tell you how will I reduce the number of steps. I will mark in green color and I'll show you. I will not write this. I'll not draw this diagram. Okay. That is one way to make shortcut. So I will remove this diagram. I will not draw. And then I will not write intersecting at P and all. Solving also, I will not write this step. I will write this step. I mean the step which I'm not circling, I'm writing that. I'll write this. And then I will not write this intermediate step. I will go to this. And then I will not write this point also. I will not waste time in writing that. And then I will not write this step directly. I will write this. Once you are good in maths. In the next page also, I will not write this one again, this one again. Directly, I will write dy over dx. This step I will not write. I will find this step and I will find dy over dx. Sorry. This I have to erase. Because I was telling you, this I will not write. I will write M2 directly. And here also while simplifying, I will make it very easy. I will not write this directly. I'll write this. Then M1, M2 equal to -1 also I will not write. I will not write this point again. In the next page also, okay, the first step I will write. Then I can avoid this step. I can go to this step. And after this step, let me remind you, I will not do this. After this step, I will tell you what I will do. Once I got k equal to 2 power 3 by 2, because I want k square, I will square both the sides, k square. So k square will be equal to 2 and 2 will cancel, 2 cube is 8. This is how I'll reduce the number. This also I need not write. Directly I can square here. Directly I will square and in one step I will write the final answer. So whatever I have circled, I need not write. Even this last step, which k square equal to 8, I need not waste time in writing the step. Directly after seeing this k equal to 2 power 3 by 2, I will square it and I'll know that it is 8. K square is 8 because 2 and 2 will cancel. 2 cube will be left, 8. So directly I'll go for ticking that. K square is equal to 8. So because this objective paper doesn't carry marks for the steps, don't waste time in writing the steps neatly. Be attentive. What I want you to do is be attentive. Do the problems carefully with lot of concentration so that you can remove the steps. You can remove many of the steps. That's the main thing you need while writing exam. Don't be getting scared of exam. Don't get scared of exam at all. Don't have that examination tension. Think that you are sitting at home, you are answering the questions and no one is going to judge you. Take it in that way positively. Be doing. Concentrate completely. Avoid the steps. We will go to the third question. In third question, it is given that if x into e power y equal to e power x, then you have to find dy by dx. That is the question. So, first of all, there are powers. That means the variable is in the base, the variable is in the power. The variable is in the power. So whenever this happens, it is advisable to use logarithms. You will take log on both the sides. Again, as I said you have to try to avoid. You will only know what steps you have to write, what steps you should not write, based on your knowledge. Okay, so the power y will come out. You will have log xc. Here the power x will come out. You will have log e, which is 1. Because actually in your textbooks, they gave log That's why you know log. But actually it is not log. It is natural log. As per the rule, what I have to take is, I'll tell you, correct rule. In your textbooks, they have given in a different way. So instead of taking log, you have to take ln. ln means natural log. You have to take natural log like this. But in your textbook, they are taking ln only as log. For them, log and ln are same, but there is a slight difference, which you might have learned in the class. So I'm not going to that. So take ln on both the sides. The power y will come out. You will have ln of xc. The power x will come out. You have ln e. Now you can apply logarithms property and write it as ln x plus ln e. Here, ln e is directly 1. So you can write x into 1, x. Similarly, y into ln x plus ln e is 1 equal to x. Now, why I am doing all these? Because I can isolate y. I can write y as x by ln x plus 1. So once you write this, it will be easy to find the derivative. dy by dx you have to find, and then you can use quotient rule. Derivative of x is 1 into ln x plus 1 minus x into derivative of ln x plus 1. ln x derivative is 1 by x and derivative of 1 is anyhow 0. Denominator we have ln x plus 1 whole square. If you feel difficulty in writing ln, you can write log. The correct way according to your textbook is log. So we have ln x plus 1 minus x and x cancels 1 by ln x plus 1 whole square. So this is how the final answer will be log x by log x plus 1 whole square. So I have explained you with ln. Instead of ln, you can write log also. We can go to the next question. That is question number 4. If the side of a cube is increased by 5%, then the surface area of a cube is increased by. The answers are given. Okay. All of you know the diagram, how a cube looks like. But still I am drawing. You need not draw. So this is a cube. Each edge of a cube be x. Length is x, width is x, height is x. So each edge is x or each side is x. And the surface area means this area. If you find all the 6 sides, the surface area is A. Take it in that way. Okay, the formula for surface area of the cube is each surface area is x squared. There are 6 surfaces, so 6x squared. This is what we have. Now, what information is given? The side of the cube is increased by 5%. That means increment dx is 5%. What is 5%? Just a 5% we can't take. We have to take 5% of x. Because they said the side of a cube is increased by 5%. So whatever increment is there, that will be 5% of x. That means 5x by 100. Now they are asking you the surface area is increased by. That means you have to find dA. As they have given dx, you have to find dA. So what we will do? We will take a equal to 6x square. We will find the derivative. dA by dx equal to 12x. dA will be 12x into dx. That is 12x into dx is 5x by 100. That means we have 60x square by 100. Now I can cancel 1 0. That means I have 6x square by 10. But 6x square is the area. Isn't it? 6x square is the area. So I will write a by 10. So dA is a by 10. I got dA as a by 10. But how I must get? Like they gave dx 5% of x. I must get some percent of a. dx is 5% of x. dA will be some percent of a. So this a is there, but 1 by 10, how can I write? What percent of 1 by 10? How can I write? Suppose if I want to change 1 by 10 as percent, what I have to do? I have to multiply by 100. So 1 0 will cancel 10. That means 10% of A. So I have to write the surface area is increased by 10%. 10% is given in the option. And that is my answer. Let's go to next question. Question number 5. We have to find the value of integral of 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Okay, now this is a wider question. That means there are many methods in integrations you have learned. So which method is applicable? That you have to think a lot, and that is not easy unless and until you have good practice. For me, what I will do is this 1 cube plus x square whole cube I will write. Now, why did I write like this? I have something in my mind that you will understand after a few steps. If I write like this, I can use a formula. That is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. First, I will use this formula. I have in my mind that formula. So I will write 1 plus x power 4 by a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square dx. This is what I have. Now, further, if I want to, for a convenient way, what I need, you will understand easily. See, I have 1 and x power 4. I have 1 and x power 4. But the thing which is missing is minus x square, which I need badly. So what I have to do, I must get this minus x square. So in the numerator, I will take minus x square and plus x square. I will take both because I can't take only minus x square. To balance, I have to take plus x square also. So that now I have some idea. First fraction, I can write 1 minus x square plus x power 4. And this plus x square I can separate. Numerator, this part I'm taking separately, this part separately. So that in denominator, I will have 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square plus x power 4. Here also 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square plus x power 4 dx. If you think I'm wrong, you can combine these two, common denominator. You will go back to this. You can cancel minus x square and x square. You will go back to this. So I did not change the question at all. It's looking I have changed, but I did not change. So what happens here is this entire thing cancels. And the first fraction became very much easier for me. To find the integral of this, it is very, very easy for me. Whereas for the second fraction, I can make it easy if I combine these two terms again. This formula reverse way, that is writing a cube plus b cube again. So see, how did I separate it? Here, how did I use the formula and separate it? And again, how I am writing this back as this. That is the important thing you have to see here. Now, why am I writing like this? That also you will understand to make everything easier. As I told you, finding the integral of this first one is very easy because it is nothing but tan inverse x. Directly tan inverse x. Now for the second one only, I must struggle a little bit by writing x power 6 again as x cube square. This time I will write x cube square. Did you see carefully? Last time I wrote x square cube. I'll change the color of highlighter. Last time I wrote x square cube, but now I'm writing x cube square. Conveniently, we have to use. Why? Because I have final answer is I have to make the integral easy. Okay, so in the next page, I will have tan inverse x plus integral of x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. Why did I change? Because x cube I can take as u substitution. Then the integral will become 1 by something by 1 plus x cube is u square. Now what about this x square and dx? That you have to think. For that, find the derivative. X cube derivative is 3x square dx and u's derivative is du. So x square dx I can write 1/3 du. That means x square dx I will write 1/3 outside, du inside. In this way, I made everything convenient for me. Tan inverse x plus 1/3. Again, this is direct formula. Tan inverse u, I can write plus c. Tan inverse x plus 1/3. Tan inverse u, I can write as x cube plus c. This is my final answer. Now, by this time, you must be knowing why did I do all these? Because I had all these in my mind that if I do like this, I will get the answer easy. Let's go to question number 6. You have to find the maximum value of log x base e by x if x is greater than 0. See, while writing log, they wrote base e. That is nothing but actually ln of x. Ln of x means log with base e. Anyhow, in your textbook, they are using that. We will be using that. Okay, so maximum value, how will you find? First of all, I have to take this as an equation. Log x base e by x equal to y. For maximum value, I have to find the derivative. When you find the derivative, you will be using quotient rule. Log x base e derivative is 1 by x, denominator x, minus log x base e same, and derivative of denominator x is 1 by denominator x square. So x and x cancels. I have 1 minus log x base e by x square. After finding the derivative, I have to set it equal to 0 to find the maxima minima. That means the numerator has to be 0. That means log x base e should be 1. That means x should be e power 1 or x should be e. This is critical number. What we got for x is critical number. Now, whether it is giving maximum or minimum value, mostly in the questions, you need not test, because directly you can think it will give you maximum value. Only thing is, in y you have to put to get the maximum value. Value means y. So in y you have to put x. Log x is e base e by x is e. So log e base e is 1 by e. This is the maximum value which is given in the options. So why did I say don't test the critical number? Because in options, they did not give you none. If they give you none, you may have the doubt. This critical number may give you maximum or may give you minimum. But in the options, they did not give you none. So you need not go for that test. You can skip and directly you can write the maximum value. Question number 7. They are asking you to find the value of integral e power sin x into sin 2x dx. Okay. So this is the question. I will take the integral e power sin x into sin 2x dx, some answer I. So this answer I don't know. I have to find. So what I have to do? First of all, I will use the formula for sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x dx. And then 2 I will take outside because it's a constant. E power sin x into sin x cos x dx. Immediately I will get the idea that sin x I can take as. So if I put sin x as u, integral, 2 is outside, integral e power u into u. But what about this cos x dx? When you find the derivative here, cos x dx will be equal to d. So you can write it as d. Now, we have 2 integral u into e power u d. Why did I change it? Because this is u is algebraic, e power u is exponential. I have to maintain this order, because for maintaining the order, there is a mnemonic isolate, which you have learned in the classes. I have to maintain this order. First algebraic, then exponential. That is why I have kept this. Now I have to use integration by parts. There are many ways to learn integration by parts, but I have one shortcut formula for integration by parts. If you have integral of u dv, you can write uv minus integral v du. This is the formula I will be using. That means this I'm taking as u, this I'm taking as dv. U is u only. Okay, u is u only. But this is dv. So about u, I need not worry. It's very easy. Like u is u. So I can write here u. Du also I can write. What is the derivative? Du will be du. Okay, so that part I can write it easy. The most difficult part is dv. How I will tell you. So you have 2 into, first I have to write u. U is u only. What is v? That I have to find. Because I know dv is e power u du. This is dv. I know what is dv. dv is e power u du. If I find the integral, I will get v. V is e power, because integral of e power u is e power. So in that way, u, v. V I got e power u. Then minus integral v I got e power u. Du is du. This is how I have used the form. So 2 into u into e power u minus integral of e power u du. It is e power u only. Plus c. So now u I can put it as sin x. E power u is sin x minus e power sin x plus. According to the options, I have to take e power sin x also common. So left is sin x minus 1 plus. This is there in the option. You can go for this. This will be your final answer. Let's go to question number 8. Question number 8 says, you have to find the value of integral of cos inverse x dx. The bounds are minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So this is a definite integral. But again, we have to use integration by parts. When you use integration by parts, which one should come first? Which one should come next? This is inverse trigonometric function and dx is algebraic function. So it is following the order of isolate. First I, then a. That means I can take directly integral. I'll write in green color. I can take the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So this is my u and this is dv. U is cos inverse x, dv is just dx. Okay, when I start using the formula, I have to first find the integral. U, my u is cos inverse x. v. How will I get v? By taking the integral of dv. So integral of dx is x. That means v is x. Minus integral v is x du. How will I get du? Find the derivative. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by, same like sin inverse x. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? Same, but minus will be there. Root of 1 minus x square dx. This is the derivative of u. So I will write minus outside 1 by square root of 1 minus x squared dx. Later on, I can use the bounds minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Because still I did not find the integral. Okay, first term, x cos inverse x is fine. But I have to find the second integral. This integral I have to find. For that, I will use u substitution. 1 minus x square I will take as u. Whatever is under the square root, that entire thing I will take as u. So I can write integral in the denominator root u. But what about this x and dx? Find the derivative. Minus 2x dx equal to du. X dx will be minus 1 by 2 d. So instead of x dx in the numerator, I will write minus 1 by 2 outside and du. Of course, the bounds I will use later. Now I have x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 u power minus half du. The bounds are minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 u power minus half plus 1, half by half. This half and half will cancel. Bounds are minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So I can write finally x cos inverse x minus square root of u. And u is cos inverse x. Minus half to half. Next, because this is a definite integral, sorry, here I have seen this u, whereas the u substitution is a different one. Did you notice? 1 minus x square. U is 1 minus x square. I was saying this u by mistake. So u is 1 minus x square. That means we have square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, now because this is definite integral, I have to use the bounds also. I have to substitute the upper bound. I have to substitute the lower bound. That we will do it in the next page. So x cos inverse x. What I have? X cos inverse x minus square root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. First, I will put 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 by 2. Minus square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. So this part is over. Next, minus lower bound. Minus 1 by 2 cos inverse minus 1 by 2 minus square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. This is what I have. Further, I can simplify 1 by 2. What is cos inverse 1 by 2? It is pi by 3 minus, here what will I have? 4 minus 1, 3. So square root of 3 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. What is cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, negative second quadrant. So it will be 2 pi by 3. And then minus, here also I have root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. I have pi by 6 minus root 3 by 2 plus pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 cancels. I have pi by 6 plus pi by 3. That is 30 plus 60, 90 degrees, which is nothing but pi by 2. This will be my final answer. Let's go to the next question. And the next question is question number 9. If integral of 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx is a into log of mod of x minus 1 plus b into log of mod of x minus 2 plus c into log of mod of x minus 3 plus c. Here they have given 2 c's. That is little bit confusing. So actually in the question it is given c, but we will take it as k. This c I am changing it to k because 2 c's means which c you will get confused. So I'm changing the question slightly. You have to then find values of A, B, and C. That's the question. So that means you have to find the integral by yourself. They already gave you the answer for the integral, but they gave incomplete answer. Can you please mute yourself? So now we will find the integral by ourselves. Of course, on seeing the question, 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, we know that we have to use partial fractions. First denominator will be x minus 1, numerator I don't know. But don't get confused with this A, B, C in the question and this A. This A, B, C in the question are different and the ABCs which we are using are different. If you want, I will not use ABC at all. I will use some other letter. I will use P. For x minus 2 denominator, Q. For x minus 3 denominator, R. Now, left side I will keep same. But right side I will take common denominator x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. That means the numerator P has to be multiplied with x minus 2, x minus 3. Then Q has to be multiplied with x minus 1, x minus 3. And R has to be multiplied with x minus 1, x minus 2. Then I can remove the denominators. I can keep only numerators. All these I am doing to find the values of P, Q, R first using partial fractions. Later on, I will find ABC also. Don't worry about that. Okay, so what happens? How will I find PQR? I will take x equal to 2. When you take x as 2, what will I get here? 7. This will become 0. So I'll remove. Then here I will have 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. That means I will have minus q. and the last term will become 0. So I am getting Q as -7. One answer I got. Next, I will put x equal to 3. When I put x equal to 3, what will I get on left side? 10. Right side, this will become 0. This will become 0. Then I have 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So 2r. I'll have 2r. That means r is 5. I got r. Lastly, I will put x equal to 1. When I put x equal to 1 here, I will have 4 equal to, here 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. So 2p I have. Of course, x minus 1 will become 0. Here also x minus 1 will become 0. So I can write p as 2. So I got PQR. That means my fraction 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is p. First p by x minus 1. That is 2 by x minus 1. Plus next q. Q by x minus 2. Minus 7 by x minus 2. Minus 7 by x minus 2. Or instead of writing plus minus, I can bring the minus here. Minus 7 by x minus 2. Then r, 5 by x minus 3. In this way, I have separated by partial fractions. Now I can find the integral for each one separately. That is what the question is. So 2 outside, 1 by x minus 1 dx. 7 outside, 1 by x minus 2 dx. 5 outside, 1 by x minus 3 dx. To find integral, we have a formula. Integral of 1 by x dx is log of x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. Here we can use the same formula. That is because here x coefficient is 1. Here also coefficient of x is 1 everywhere. So same formula we can use directly. That means you have 2 into log of mod of x minus 1 minus 7 into, it must be into. So minus 7 into log of mod of x minus 2 plus 5 into log of mod of x minus 3 plus. Now you can compare this with the question. Immediately you will know A is 2, B is minus 7, and C is 5. This is what you are supposed to find, and we have found it already. We can go to the next question, that is question number 10. You have to find the value of integral log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x squared dx. 0 to 1. It's a definite integral. So, in order to find the integral, we have to let the answer for this integral be I, which we are going to find. Looking at this 1 plus x square, I got the idea. Why not use 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta? Trigonometric formula. Why can't we use this? Because 1 plus x square is looking like 1 plus tan square. That means I can take x as tan theta. So I have integral log of 1 plus x is tan theta, 1 plus x square is tan square theta. Now dx will be secant square theta d theta. In place of dx, I can write secant square theta d theta. But I can make some changes because denominator 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. So that secant square theta cancels. And now you have to just find integral of log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Boundaries we will worry later. So how to simplify this? Finding the integral is not that easy. How to find integral of this? I will do one thing. I will change the boundaries. Because I have taken x equal to tan theta, when x is 1, what is theta? When x is 0, the boundaries. So tan theta is 1, tan theta is 0. That means theta is pi over 4, theta is 0. So for theta, the boundaries are 0 to pi over 4. Now, why did I change the boundaries? Because in definite integrals, there is a formula. If you have integral 0 to a f of x dx, then you can write it as 0 to a say, but in the function in place of x, you can write a minus x. This formula I will be using now to make the integral easier. You can take this as a shortcut formula. Okay. So what should I do? In the next page, I will write integral 0 to pi by 4. That's why I changed the boundaries. Initially, what was the boundary? 0 to 1. But now I changed it to 0 to pi by 4. Okay, 0 to pi by 4. I have log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now, why did I change to 0 to pi by 4? That also you will come to know. I can write in the function, in place of theta, I have to write a minus x. This is the usefulness of the boundaries. 0 to pi by 4. If I write like this, what is the use? I can use tan a minus b formula. What is tan a minus b formula? It is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. This formula will be very much helpful for me. So all these I did because of that. Then I have tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, and then d theta. I very well know that tan pi by 4 is 1, which is again easy for me. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, because tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Still, I can simplify this. I can take common denominator. So that I will have 1 plus tan theta. Then 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta d theta. So that tan theta will cancel. 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. So all these I was finding for I. 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. This is what I got until now, which I can write as integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Okay, this integral is very easy for me, log 2 d theta. The difficult part minus, this is only difficult. But if you remember, this we got somewhere in the middle, log of 1 plus tan theta. See the previous page. Previous page. I'll highlight here. We got 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta for I. So why not use it as I? Now also we got the same thing. I will write it as I. Instead of writing 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta, I will write I. Because the difficulty is finding the integral. So this I will come here. I plus I, 2I. 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta. This is very easy because log 2 is a constant. I can write log 2 outside. Log 2 is a constant, only d theta will be. So log 2 is multiplied with theta. Integral of theta, integral of d theta is theta. 0 to pi by 4, I'll put the limits. So 2I is log 2 into pi by 4 minus 0. Of course, 0 I need not take. Then I have 2I equal to pi by 4 log 2. So I will be equal to pi by 8 log 2. I in the beginning, I took the answer for the question. So the question, I will write it as a question. 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Plus c I need not write because it's a definite integral. So this is my answer, which is there in the options. We can go to question number 11 now. In question number 11, you are supposed to find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 8x and the line y equal to 2x. What is the area? Always you will get a proper idea if you draw the graph. They did not give you the graph. You have to draw it. And drawing graph is not at all difficult here. Because you know already that y square equal to 8x is parabola. Y square equal to 8x parabola, it will be passing through origin. It will be something like this. A rough diagram we have to draw. Then y equal to 2x. You know that it is a straight line passing through origin. So y equal to 2x will be a straight line like this passing through origin. That also you are very much aware of it. So I'm extending the parabola. So what you can see here, the line and the parabola are meeting. They are intersecting at 2 points. So we have to find those 2 points. One point, obviously, it will be origin. The other point is the only thing you have to find. How will you find? You will take both the equations, parabola equation and line equation. This line equation you can square. Y square equal to 4x square. So that this is y square, this is y square. So you can equate 8x and 4x square. 8x equal to 4x square. 4x square minus 8x is 0. Take 4x common. X minus 2 equal to 0. One value for x is 0. The other value for x is 2. Now when x is 0, you can put it in the line. You can use the line y equal to 2x or parabola. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 4. So this is one point of intersection. This is another point of intersection. 2, 4 is another point of intersection. Now, as per the question, you have to find the area of the region bounded between these two. How will you find the area? By taking integral. Integral of the top curve minus bottom curve. What is the top one? Top curve is the parabola y square equal to 8x, or y will be 2 root 2 into root x, or x power 1 by 2. That is the top curve. So top is 2 root 2 x power half. Now bottom, what is the bottom curve? The straight line y equal to 2x, directly minus 2x dx. You have to find integral. 2 root 2 is a constant. X power half integral is x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus x integral. 2 is a constant. Integral of x is x square by 2. Now bounds. The bounds you have to take 0 to 2. The 2 points of intersection, x coordinates 0 to 2. You will put the bounds 0 to 2. That means you will have 4 root 2 by 3. For area, you will have 4 root 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus, after cancelling 2, just x square. The bounds are 0 to 2. First you put 2. 4 root 2 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2. What is 2 power 3 by 2? 2 root. Isn't it? If you want, you can take like this. 2 power 3 by 2. What you will have? 2 power 1 by 2 whole cube. Root 2 whole cube. Please don't draw lines on the board because they are not getting erased. I'm trying to erase. They are not getting erased. Don't draw lines on the board. Root 2 cube will be root 2, root 2, root 2. So 2. That's what I do. Minus 2 square is 4. So I have put the upper bound. Lower bound, anyhow, you will get 0 minus 0. So I have 4 2s, 8 2s, 16 by 3 minus 4. 16 minus 12 by 3 or 4 by 3. That is the area and it is there in the options. We can go to question number 12. That is finding the value of integral of cos x by 1 plus e power dx from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is again definite integral. Again, I have to take the answer for this integral as I, because later on we will be using this I whenever I take I. So still I did not answer in the question. I must find I. That is my aim. So here I can use one formula. But before using this formula, I will take the function, shortcut formula I am telling you. The function is cos x by 1 plus e power x. I will take. If I put minus x, what will happen? Let me see. If I put minus x, what will happen? I want to see whether it is even function or odd function. So cos of minus x, 1 plus e power minus x. With this only I can say it is neither even nor odd. So this theory is not working. Finding even odd is simply waste. This will not help me at all. Now next, which is the formula which I can use here? Integral minus a to a f of x dx. How can I write this? Any idea? Is there any formula for this? I can keep minus a to a same. But in the function, what I have to put? That I have to decide. What will I put? When the boundaries are minus a to a, I will take a and then minus x. This is how I can change the integral. When already this formula I told you in other case also, but I'm telling you now in this case. So what will I write here? How will I use this formula here? The bounds will remain same, minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Cos of, in place of x, I will write a minus x. In place of x, I have to write x only, dx. Am I clear? So, if I write this, that is also not working. This part is also not helpful for me. I can easily guess because cos of pi by 2 minus x will be sin x. It is of no use for me. So what should I do next? Which other formula I can use? The shortcut formula. Even and odd is not working. This kind of formula is not working. What can I do here? The shortcut method is minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 I will keep same. In place of x, I will write pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x. Why am I writing this? Pi by 2 is here, the upper bound. See. Oh, I wanted arrow. I'm not getting arrow, so I will highlight. Yeah, I have upper bound pi by 2. I have lower bound minus pi by 2. So I'm using both of them, pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Is that clear? So both I am using. Pi by 2 is here, minus pi by 2 is here, and minus x. In this way I'm using. So what did I do here? Nothing. I did not change the question at all. See, you try to remove pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 will cancel. Cos of minus x is same as cos x. Cos of minus x and cos x is one and the same. Not at all different. So that is what I am using here. This only will be helpful. How it will be helpful, you can see. 1 plus, now how will I write this denominator x? Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x dx. Here also I am writing pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x for x. But what is happening here? When pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 are cancelling, I am getting minus x. I am not getting x. I am getting minus x. So what I did here is, if you take this as a formula, when I have integral of minus a and a, f of x dx, what I did in the function, I'm using a and minus a, and I'm using minus x. Can I use this? That means I'm using f of minus x dx. Instead of f of x, I'm using integral of f of minus x dx, keeping the boundaries same. A and minus a I'm cancelling. So that is what I did here. This is the shortcut formula which I am using. Instead of f of x, I'm using f of minus x. A minus a minus x. I'm putting that. Okay. So now we will go later to the second part, that is I equal to, now I have integral minus pi by 2 pi by 2. I have cos of minus x as I told you, and 1 plus e power minus x I will have. I know cos of minus x is cos x only. And I know e power minus x I can write as 1 by e power x. So I'll keep minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. I'll keep cos x. Here I will take common denominator e power x, so that I will have e power x plus 1. This e power x I'm bringing up. So I have minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e power x cos x by e power x plus 1. Rather, instead of writing e power x plus 1, I can write 1 plus e power x. Just change the order. 1 plus e power x. Like this I can change. I can change it. Isn't it? Okay. So this is my I now. I got a new I. This is my new I. But initially, if you see in the previous page, this was my I. I'm writing both the I's on the next page. First I took minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x. The second I got minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e power x cos x by 1 plus e power x. Now, why did I write? Because I can add both of them. I will add. 2I will be equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Common denominator 1 plus e power x. Numerator cos x and e power x cos x dx I am adding. So 2I equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I can take cos x common. 1 plus e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. After cancelling 1 plus e power x, I have 2I equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x dx, which is very easy for me to find the integral of cos x. It is sin x, put the bounds minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. First, I will put pi by 2, sin pi by 2 minus, then I will put minus pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Then I will have plus sin pi by 2. So 2I equal to 1 plus 1. 2I equal to 2. I equal to 1. Actually, I have taken the question's answer. The question was minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Answer is 1, which is there in the option. So we can go to 1. Next, we can go to question number 13. We will do 15 questions and we will stop because I know learning too much will disturb your mind. So only 15 questions. After that, we will stop. Question number 13 is the order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constants in C1y equal to C2 plus C3 into e power x plus C4. Arbitrary constants means there are some constants you can see. C1, C2, C3, C4. These all are arbitrary constants. You have to remove them. Get the differential equation. Then find the order of the differential equation. So, what we have to do is, we will take the differential equation and observe it carefully. That means, y you can write it as C2 plus C3 by C1 e power x plus C4. This is what you can write. Or you can still simplify it as C2 plus C3 by C1 into e power x into e power C4. Or grouping all the arbitrary constants, C2 plus C3 by C1 into e power C4. These all come as constants. Only e power x is not a constant. So on the whole, we have only one constant, a into e power x. This entire constant, I'm taking it as one constant a. So because I have only one constant, the order also will be 1. how many constants are there based on that. So maybe in the beginning itself, you may see C1, C2, C3, C4. 4 constants are there. 4 is the order. You can say, but that is not right. Simplify it as much as possible. Try to combine the constants. Once you combine, you will know actually how many constants are there. That will be the order. So all are very easy if you know the basic concept. Next, question number 14. We are finding the general solution of the differential equation, which is x square dy minus 2xy dx equal to x power 4 cos x dx. Okay. Finding the general solution. First, I will take the given equation and I will try to isolate dy by dx if possible. X square dy equal to x power 4 cos x dx plus 2xy dx. So I can take dx common. X power 4 cos x plus 2xy. This is what I have. So I can write dy by dx as x power 4 cos x plus 2xy by x square. Or dy by dx equal to x power 4 cos x by x square plus 2xy by x square. Or dy by dx is x square cos x plus 2 into y by x. Now, why did I get this form? I will change the differential equation. I will write dy by dx. I will write minus 2 into y by x to this side. And this side I will keep x square cos x. Because which form I have now? Look at the form. I have dy by dx minus, then I have a function. Let it be p of x in terms of x multiplied to y. This is the function p of x, which is multiplied to y. And then I have another function q of x. This is the other function q of x. So this form when I have, I can take the integration factor. I can find the integration factor. What is the integration factor? E power integral of p of x dx. This formula I must remember. So if I compare and see, my integration factor here will be, if I take this formula with plus, then I can take the minus also. E power integral minus 2 by x dx. So I'm taking this entire thing as p of x based on the formula. That means e power minus 2 is a constant, 1 by x dx. E power minus 2, integral of 1 by x is log x. Or e power log x power minus 2. E and log you can remove. So I have x power minus 2 or 1 by x squared. This is the integration factor. Now, once I know the integration factor, as per the formula, the general solution for this given type of equation, the general solution, how will I find? Shortcut formula is y into integration factor equal to integral of integration factor. You have to multiply with q of x dx. This will help me in finding the general solution. So this is the continuation of the formula. So y into integration factor is 1 by x square equal to integration factor is 1 by x square. Q of x is x square cos x dx. So x square and x square will cancel. That means I have y by x square equal to, on the right side, I have integral of just cos x dx. Or y by x square is sin x plus c. Or y being x square into sin x plus c. Or y will be x square sin x plus cx square. This is given in the options. So we can go to this. So now we will go to our last question. Listen carefully because I'm ending the class 10 minutes earlier for you. The question number 15 is the area of the region bounded by the line y equal to 2x plus 1, x-axis, and the ordinates x equal to -1 and x equal to 1 is, as I told you, we have to draw the diagram, rough diagram at least. First, I have to sketch y equal to 2x plus 1. I know it's a straight line, but where I have to draw? Put x equal to 0, y is 1. Put y equal to 0, x is -1 by 2. So, something like this you take. This is -1, this is 1. So, when I draw the graph, I'll take 0, 1. 0, 1 is here. Okay. And then I will take -0.5, 0. -0.5, 0 is here. I will join these two. To get a straight line. So this is the line y equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, once I draw it, what else I have to draw? What else are given? X-axis. So I will take x-axis also into account. This is x-axis. Apart from that, what they gave? X equal to -1. X equal to -1 is here. This is x equal to -1. Then they gave x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is here. This is x equal to 1. So the region bounded by all these, this is a part of the region. This is another region. You have to find. So how to find the area? Actually, you need not use integrals. I will tell you the shortcut formula to find the area. For that, we must know, for this triangle, we must know base and height. For this triangle also, right angle triangle, we must know base and height. So what is the base? Between -1 and -half, the distance will be half. So the base is half. How will you know the height? Put x equal to -1 in this. You will get y. 2 into -1, -2 plus 1, 1. So the height is 1. Don't take -1. Actually, y you will get -1, but don't take -1. Height will be 1. Let me rub and write because it's not clear. It's overlapping. Yeah. Height is 1. So what will be the area? Area of triangle. 1/2 into base into height. But because this area is below x-axis, I have to take minus. This area is below x-axis. Now, I'll take the other triangle. What is the base? I will use a different color. Base for other triangle. How will I find the base? From -1/2 -1/2 to 0, it will be 1/2. And then 0 to 1, it will be 1. So total base will be 1 plus 1/2, 3/2. This base. Height, put x equal to 1 in the equation y equal to 2x plus 1. Y is 3. So the height is 3. That means plus. Now the area is 1/2 into base into height. That means I will have -1/4 plus 9/4. That means 8/4. That means 2. And 2 is there in the option. So we can go with the option 2. Actually, we have to use integrals, but we are not using integrals because this way is easy. So like this, you can see in the question paper, most of the part is occupied by calculus. So learn calculus more. Learn limits, learn differentiation, learn integration. All these 3 topics are very, very important to score more marks in KSET. 15 questions you have seen. All these are from calculus. Whatever we have discussed in the class, whatever we have discussed here, learn more. There are many more shortcut methods also. If possible, if we could meet again next time, we will learn those more and more shortcut methods. But at present, I think these 15 questions are enough for you. If you try to put more into your brain today, you will not learn anything. So with this, we will end our class. But before that, I want to ask anyone having any doubts, any questions, because I think we still have around 6 minutes left.
I don't think so, madam.
No, madam.
We
Okay.
can end the session.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the support, madam. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Thank you.
So
Thank
we
you.
will end the class. Thank you.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.